Improving high ping in GTA 5 can significantly enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to reduce lag and improve your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a speed test tool to measure your upload and download speeds. Ideally, you should have at least 3 Mbps download and 1 Mbps upload for a smooth gaming experience. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switch from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet connection. This can reduce latency and provide a more stable connection, minimizing interference that often occurs with Wi-Fi. Step 3. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications or downloads running in the background. Programs like streaming services, file downloads, or other online activities can consume bandwidth and increase ping. Step 4. Change game server. In GTA 5, you can select different servers to play on. If you're experiencing high ping on a particular server, try switching to a different one that is geographically closer to your location. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings to prioritize gaming traffic. Enable quality of service QoS settings if available, and consider changing your DNS settings to faster public DNS like Google DNS or OpenDNS to potentially improve connection speeds. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce high ping in GTA 5 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Happy gaming!